this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it?
Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about a product that's coming out right today, and it's the middle of November 2024. We have about a 2-month wait period for these, so that puts us mid-January 2025. I don't know when we'll release this video, but I figured I'd make it today, get it on YouTube and get some awareness going. For the longest time when it comes to the 6.4 Powerstroke, it's very hard, it can be very difficult to find a rocker arm assembly. The other brands out there apparently don't get the concept that it's a prone failure point of the 6.4 Powerstroke, and that they should make more of them and keep them in stock. Well, Powerstroke Products gets that. We have a lot of these in the way. A lot of these on the way, that's for sure. What's so cool about this? Well, these are DLC coated. Nobody else is doing that. So where the rocker arm connects with the valve bridge, it's DLC coated to help with longevity and reliability. Of course, these are made slightly thicker, stronger, brand new, 100% new in the box. When they show up, you install. Simple as that. Can't get more easy than this. The all new hardware comes with bearings, retaining clips, and most and foremost, longevity was thought of when these were developed, okay? And the valve bridge tips were coated in DLC coating to help give them some longevity and some rigidity to stand up to high horsepower applications, stock applications, towing applications, you name it. This is one of the weakest points of a 6.4 Powerstroke is the rocker bridge assemblies, okay? These break all the time, all the time. So many times have I had customers reach out and try to find the assembly or individual pieces, and it's damn near impossible to find them. Well, if you're going to do it, you might as well do all of them, in my opinion. That's kind of the way I look at it. And while you have it apart, put a set of push rods in there as well. Most of the time, you're doing this, you're doing heads, do heads. But if you're just the unlucky guy that breaks one when you're towing heavy up a mountain, well, here in about 60 days from today, depending on when this video releases, January 2025, we're going to have DLC coated tips, rocker bridge assemblies in stock and ready to go. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's nothing that I can't, there's nothing crazy about it other than the DLC coating. Like, that's something that nobody else is doing on the market. Powerstroke Products 6.4 rocker arm assemblies are coming to the market very soon. Be ready to order these. I would highly recommend that if you want a set, you get them ordered up, because I'm sure these are going to fly off the shelf. So get a set ordered as soon as you're ready to order them. They'll be on our website very, very soon, ready for pre-order status, that should say, okay? And, yeah, give us a call if you got any questions. 1-800-577-2698. This is going to be a great upgrade to your 6.4 Powerstroke to give it some reliability and some longevity. And when you're studding that thing, or you're just trying to do some preventative maintenance, because 6.4s have lots of failure points. Ford knew what they were doing when they created the 6.4. I'm not taking away from how awesome they are. I'm not at all. I got one. It's got blown head gaskets. I still drive it. I'm going to build it at some point. That's what these are going for, okay? That being said, the 6.4 was a short run for a reason. The 6.7 was already in development and testing and all that good stuff, okay? The 6.4 was designed to go wax every Cummins out there. That's what it was designed to do, okay? So, and I've got a Cummins too. So, the 6.4 of its time was a rowdy truck. Absolutely phenomenal trucks, but they have a lot of failure points. Front covers, pistons. Pistons are super weak. Head gaskets, rockers, right here. These tips wear out, and you get some thumping going on because things aren't opening like they're supposed to when the camshaft rolls around. Give us a call. Let's get you a set of these Powerstroke Products 6.4 rocker assemblies with DLC coated tips on the way to you. Put them in your truck, solve one problem, move to the next one. We've got you. We know how to make them last a little while. 1-800-577-2698, blessedperformance.com. Of course, check out the social medias. Really appreciate you folks. Appreciate the opportunity to work with you. Opportunity to help you build your trucks, help you build your dream trucks. See you on the next one.